Hey everybody, Chris here. So Dogecoin is building on gains while Bitcoin continues to look for that next leg up. We'll be looking at that, the 4-year cycles, and how Dogecoin could be trading very soon. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. Next live stream will be Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time in the United States. So make sure you've got your notifications on, all of them, as well as, of course, being subscribed. So what is going on with Doge? We're hitting some resistance again at that same level. I'll show you that on the charts. But we also have some news to talk about on the whale accumulation, as well as Dogecoin's latest Elon tweet. That's right, Doge Elon. We're going to talk about that. Let's get into it. Show you what I'm looking at. So we'll start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart right around 10.12. We did have this run up from yesterday, so we're building on yesterday's dip. That's right. Right here, we had another dip right above me there, down below 10 cents. That's right. Another little gift right there. Doge traded up though, and that trading up, what caused that? Show you that in a minute. Can't get over 10.28 though. That is resistance here. Trying to get over that and then retest that as support and move forward. I'll show you what that could look like in just a little bit. But right now, we are at my white line. This white line is my September price prediction. We're now September 12th, almost halfway into the month. And Doge is right where I thought it would be. Of course, I'd like it higher, but right where I thought it would be. And Bitcoin at 58K, that's right. Bitcoin trying to get over 58.4, which is now resistance for Bitcoin. See if it holds 58. It did drop below into the 57s. And of course, yesterday it was down here in the 55s, which of course is also a gift for Bitcoin. So what's going on? Well, Gel says, look, Bitcoin slowly grinds higher as it tries to reclaim that key level around 58K. Want to see this push beyond 65K to completely lock into the Q4 all-time high thesis. Until then, level by level. So Gel is predicting by the end of the year, we are going to see Bitcoin up over 73K, which will be a new all-time high, which would hit in 2024 and not wait till 2025, but that doesn't mean it's not going to go higher in 2025. Stock Money Lizards is saying, look, we're still in the 4-year cycles with Bitcoin. That's right. We had the halving consolidation and then a run-up bull. Halving consolidation, a run-up bull. Now here we are, having consolidation again, even though Bitcoin did run up before the halving. Again, that was all on those spot Bitcoin ETFs, but that doesn't negate this next bull run coming up for Bitcoin. Closer, we are looking at FedWatch. That's right. United States Fed. FOMC is meeting next week, Tuesday and Wednesday they will announce. Most likely is going to be a 25 basis point rate cut, which is what, of course, I've been predicting for the last 6 months. And here it is finally going to be here. And now the CME FedWatch tool is looking at 85% probability we would see a 25 basis point rate cut. And there's still 15% holding out for a 50 base point, but majority 25. And then the next meeting after that is November 7th. It's 2 days after the presidential election. That's going to be a spicy week, that's for sure. Right now, a 48% that there would be a 25 basis point, 45% a 50 basis point. If we don't get that 25 basis point, or if we don't get the 50 basis point in November, December is looking like when that would happen then, a 47% probability now. So right now they're saying 25, 25, 50, 50. And then continuing with 25 basis points into mid-2025. That is a lot of cuts, of rate cuts. That's right. That's meaning Cost of borrowing will be less. Mortgage rates will be less. That's all looking pretty good. So we'll continue to watch this, particularly in the live streams. We'll talk more about that going on. And Titan the Crypto is saying, look, Bitcoin potential scenario, what if it unfolds like this? So here we are with that post-halving consolidation and then a run up in 2024 and then maybe a dip as well. But I mean, that's a bit much for me, thinking that Bitcoin would actually run all the way up over $100,000 in 2024. But there are many predicting that. I'm just not as big of a fan of that bold prediction. But then he's got this big drop back down almost to 70K. I do not see that kind of volatility and huge dip for Bitcoin. I wouldn't see that coming. But we'll look at Doges in just a minute. But speaking of Doge, we're up 4.7 from that Wednesday drop. Benefits from another Doge tweet by Elon Musk. Yes, what did Elon say? Department of Government Efficiency, Doge. That's right. Teasing the Dogecoin community yet again with the acronym of Doge. Not directly Dogecoin, but we know Elon is still having fun with this whole Doge thing. And of course, all tied into if Donald Trump wins the US presidency again, and if Elon Musk is an advisor looking at cutting some of the bureaucracy and regulatory agencies in the United States government, that this might be the name of his office. As an advisor only, he's got a lot going. He can't be a cabinet member. He's got so much going on. I mean, SpaceX had their wonderful spacewalk this morning. That was pretty cool to see. Some more SpaceX rockets lined up. Tesla continuing to do great, and all of the challenges he has on X Twitter with freedom of speech challenges. All of that just continues to go on. But Elon just continues to remind us of the Doge. We've got whales buying over 400 million Doge. Yes, whenever there are dips in the market, like we saw yesterday, particularly with Doge, back down below 10 cents, the whales are accumulating. Are you? Are you accumulating? Do you know what's coming? Do you know what's coming? There's still a lot of competition for different memes, and we talk about that. Sheeb and Pepe are just part of it, with Bonk, and all those other tokens as well. All those memes really are competing with Doge for your investment dollars. So we do have that going on, but essentially what this article is looking at is Dogecoin's profitability is the highest right now. We looked at that on live stream on Wednesday. Like in the past 90 days, Dogecoin has outperformed Pepe and Sheeb. And right now, we still have 72% of all Dogecoin holders are in the profit. That's right. 72% of all Dogecoin holders, all wallets that holds at least some Dogecoin, are in profit. With Pepe, it's a lot less. So it's really about 50% or so. So that's where Sheeb is. Or that's where Pepe is, I mean. And then Sheeb is only about 45% in the money right now, or in the green. So a lot more to make up there for Sheeb. A lot of holders holding on, waiting to see whether Sheeb goes on another run. Like me, I own a little Sheeb too. We'll see indeed whether that happens as well. But what could that Dogecoin run look like? We looked at this before. This is Trader Allen. He's looking, look, inverse head and shoulders happened 2015 into 2017, inverse head and shoulders, 2019 into 2021, and then here we are, 2023 into 2024, and could we be seeing that run up. This is what we're looking at. Doge consistently forms inverse head and shoulders in each cycle. In the current cycle, Dogecoin is now at the right shoulder. The pump is coming soon. So that would definitely be building on gains, and that would be a huge gain for us, which is why we're not messing around with trading with leverage. We're not doing swing trading with Doge, because this could happen at any time. Once the FOMO kicks in, Doge will see huge gains. So that's what we have overall on Doge. It looks like Doge is moving up again, up to 1018. So building on gains as we speak. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this accumulation of Doge and the gains we are seeing so far? Again, small so far. We need to build these resistance levels. And then, as Jell says, even on Bitcoin, same with Doge, level by level by level. That's where we are moving right now. Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.